going, everyone? Today is another Subaru video, and I'll be installing the side splitters, side lip kit, whatever you want to call it, right here. Now it does appear to be, there's a left and right side, so that's good. I thought it was like a universal piece for a second because it's like the same shape on both ends. It's not the one side splitter that has a little like winglet that comes up. These are just a normal just straight underline piece. So has some, looks like it has some 3M tape here and then some plastic clips to use, but I'll use some of them to hold them up, and the others I'll drill in the self-tapping screws like I did for the front lip and the rear splats. So let's get this install started. Should be pretty simple, pretty easy. Probably won't record it because I mean it's gonna be that easy. I'll just show you guys, you know, how it all lines up. So right now that's only held on by the 3M tape. Looking pretty good where I want it. Now it's time to drill in the screws. Looking pretty good. It doesn't reach all the way to the end, you can tell. Close enough though. Passenger side is done. Here's how it looks. I still gotta take off the white sticker over there, but don't mind that. Looks pretty good, I'd say. Pretty straight down there. Here's the driver's side for comparison. Here's the final product. Passenger side and driver's side. Again, I still need to take off those stickers, but it came out great. Definitely the full-on lip kit makes it look a lot more aggressive, a little mean. I like it. My brother made a good choice. For a car with stock, it's still stock height, there's no suspension done. It makes it look, you know, the body low. And like I said, it makes it look more aggressive, and overall I like it. So I hope you guys liked that install video of the side splitters on my brother's 2016 WRX. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.